Shahriyar from Australia.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum assalam wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, may Allah bless you with a long, healthy life. Ameen.
And you as well. Barakallah feek.
Thank you, Sheikh. Sheikh, I recently moved to a new city here, and while I'm looking for a good job for myself, I am driving with UberX, and this is an app that, it's a transportation service. But the problem is that the app doesn't tell me that whether I'm picking up the passenger, is he a male or a female, and their pick-up of drop-off location until I accept that. And once I accept it, I can't, cancel it. So the problem is, what if I have to drop them off to a pub or any clubs and stuff like that? So what's your opinion on that? Should I continue this or not?
So you tell me, what is the reason and the purpose of Allah creating us? To worship Him.
To follow Islam, yeah.
Yes. So if I were to believe in worshiping Allah and my client tells me, take me to a pub or to a nightclub or to a church, would this please Allah or anger Allah?
Of course, it angers Allah, yeah.
So this answers your question, Akhi. I cannot twist the religion and tailor make it to fit something that is haram. There is no compromise in such issues in religion.